This morning, I've declared a state of emergency in the province of Ontario. We're facing an unprecedented time in our history. This is a decision that was not made lightly. COVID-19 constitutes a danger of major proportions. We're taking this measure because we must offer our full support and every power possible to help our healthcare sector fight the spread of COVID-19. The first order under this declaration will be the prohibition of organized public events of over 50 people, including parades and events and services within places of worship until March 31st. Secondly, the following establishments are closed effective immediately until March 31st. All facilities providing indoor recreational programs, all public libraries, all private schools as defined in the Education Act, all licensed childcare centers, all bars and restaurants, except to the extent that such facilities provide takeout food and delivery. All theaters, including those offering live performances of music, dance, and other art forms, as well as cinemas that show movies and concert venues. Again, this order will come into effect immediately. I want to be very clear about what this means and what this doesn't mean. This is not a provincial shutdown. I repeat, this is not a provincial shutdown. The vast majority of businesses, including those most vital to day-to-day life, will not be affected by this order. Essential services and essential needs will be available to every individual and family. Groceries, convenience stores, pharmacies, manufacturing facilities, public transit, important public services, construction sites, office buildings will all continue to operate. We must flatten the curve and help stop the spread of COVID-19. We understand this decision will impact workers across this province. My message to these people is that we will support you during these difficult times. We expect the federal government to support Ontarians with the following measures. They must work with us to establish a loan program to support businesses. Immediate EI reforms must be implemented to support workers. The eligibility criteria must be expanded to include workers impacted by this outbreak.
Yes, we do have a plan in place. It is evolving rapidly, and we have the ability now with the additional funds to be able to create more bed space. We have respirators on hand. We have ordered more, but certainly what we're doing today with the announcement of this order is, as I said, to try and flatten the curve so that we don't end up with vast numbers of people in hospitals requiring respirators. This is the purpose of the order, so that we can protect people and keep them healthy.
So I'm sure you caught the press release that we sent out Friday. We've already instituted a number of measures, things like people who are serving weekend sentences no longer have to go into the institution. We have put a number of protections in place, and we'll continue to do that to ensure the safety of our corrections officers and the inmates.
Obviously, as I talked about yesterday, in our statement next week, we're going to be looking at money in 3 buckets to support healthcare and other related government services, to support people, and also in areas where we need to support jobs in the economy. So those are the categories, and we're in regular communication with the federal government to discuss about how exactly we want to work in a coordinated way.